Good morning, students. This is Mr. Asim Khan. Welcome back in the science world. And dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is animal world. This is our lesson number 2nd. What is the name of that lesson? The name of lesson number 2nd, that is animal world. Dear student, this world is full of amazing animals. And animals are found almost everywhere. But different kinds of animals are present in different places. For example, in water, different kinds of animals are live, and on land, different kinds of animals are live. But in polar and mountain regions, different animals live. The aquatic or water animal cannot live on land. Okay, so let's see habitat of animals. Just we are listen the word habitat. One question arises in your mind. What is meant by habitat? So listen carefully the definition of habitat. How we can define habitat? Okay, so an area in which a particular animal naturally live, eat, grow and reproduce is called as habitat. Okay, I repeat once again the definition of habitat. Listen carefully and remember it. Okay, an area in which particular animal naturally live, eat, grow and reproduce is called as habitat. A different kind of animals have different habitat. For example, forest is a habitat and number of animals are live in forest, but in which the forest, the animals make their home in a particular space. So we can say that the forest is the habitat of that animal. For example, lion and tiger live in a den or cave. Okay, and the monkey and birds are live on tree. They make their home on tree. That's why we can say that that is the habitat of that particular animals. Okay, so we are seeing one by one different kinds of habitat. So first of all we see the forest. Okay, the forests are large area that have variety of trees and other plants. A large variety of animals also live in the forest. As per said that before few minutes ago, the lion and tiger live in caves. Okay, and bird and monkey live in tree. And snakes live in holes and rabbit lives in burrows. Okay, but these all things, cave, trees, burrows and holes are present in forest. That's why we can said that about that animals, lion, tiger, monkey, birds, their habitat is the forest. Okay. The next one region, that is the desert. What is meant by desert? How we can define the desert? Let's see. Dry and hot place is called as desert. Okay. The land and aquatic places are not a desert because there is a moisturizing condition on land, but in desert place there is dry and hot conditions. Okay, so we can define as the desert, that means dry and hot places are called as desert. So which animals live on desert? Those animals they are live on desert, they have special features for survival on desert. For example, the camel. Camel is called as king of desert. Okay. Why camel live in forest? Because their legs are so long, or padded feet. Because of their padded feet, they are live in desert, and their padded feet are prevent the camel from hardness of the sand. Okay. Now the next one region, that is the polar region and high mountains. Okay. Which animal live in a polar region? Let's see. The polar region and high mountains are very cold places. Cold places are called as polar region because there is a snow is present. That means the area of polar region is covered by snow. And which animal live in polar region? The polar bear are live in polar regions. Why polar bear live in the cold places? Because the polar bear have a special features for survival in the cold region. They have number of hairs on their body, and their dark skin prevent from the cold, and they keep polar bear warm in a cold places. Okay. The thick layer, they have thick layer, and their fat are prevent, or they keep themselves from cold. Okay. Now the next one region, that is the oceans. Okay, ocean are the largest habitat on the earth, and which animal they are live in the water is called as aquatic animals. So which aquatic animal live in the water? For example, fish, whale, shark, blue whale, that are found in the oceans because they have a special features for live in the water. That's why they are live in water, and the water is habitat of that animals. For example, shark, blue whale, these are animals found in the oceans. Okay. Now the last one point, that is the fresh water. Which animal live in the fresh water? The river, lake and pond, that water is called as fresh water. That water we can drink, and drinking water is called as fresh water. Okay. Which animal live in the fresh water? For example, fishes, frog, salamander live in a fresh water, and frog and salamander also live in land. And those animals, they are live water and also land, is called as amphibians. What is mean by amphibians? Those animals, they are live in a water and also land, is called as amphibians. So, dear students, these all are about the habitat. We are seeing different kinds of habitat: forest, desert, polar region, mountains, oceans, and fresh water. I hope you all have got it about habitat. The remaining portion we will discuss in the next grade. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.